Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Are you all fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
How are you,
children,
ma'am?
we will do some revision from chapter 10. So, chapter 10, what we learned? Addition, subtraction of mixed fractions, then multiply fractions, reciprocal, then division. So, division, what is division? We have to do multiply with the reciprocal of the device. Okay, so that is division. So we were just started revision of addition and subtraction. Okay, children, can you take out your rough book?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was little late because.
No problem. We just started. Now only we started. So children, can you take out rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you some questions. You can write down.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Fraction 2.
Fraction 2, chapter 10, revision. We will do revision of chapter 10. So first one, here you have to look at the operations. Here solve, is it addition, subtraction, division or multiplication? So what we have to do, 12 and 1 by 7. 12 and 1 by 7 plus 13 and 2 by 5. Number 2, solve 10 and 1 by 3 plus 12 and 2 by 3.
Ma'am, we should write this in the rough book, right?
This is mixed fraction now. So what do you have to do? First make into improper fraction. So first one is 12 and 1 by 7 plus 13 and 2 by 5. Second one, 10 and 1 by 3 plus 12 and 2 by 3. Now next one, question number 3 is subtraction. 4 and 1 by 3. Same, addition and subtraction is same. First what you have to do, you have to convert into improper. Then 4 and 1 by 3 minus 2 and 1 by 7. Question number 4. 10 and 1 by 2 minus 5 and 3 by 7.
Ma'am, only this much, right?
Yeah. After this, we will do multiplication and division. First, we are doing 2 questions of addition and 2 questions from subtraction. Then after, we will do.
Ma'am, which class is this?
This is 5A. 12 and 1 by 7 plus 13 and 2 by 5. So last class we were just started this revision. So first of all, you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. Then find out the LCM and make the denominators same if they are unlike fractions. Same for subtraction. 12 and 1 by 7 plus 13 and 2 by 5. 10 and 1 by 3 plus 12 and 2 by 3. Next one is 4 and 1 by 3 minus 2 and 1 by 7. 10 and 1 by 2 minus 5 and 3 by 7. Finish writing the question, no?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
First write down all 4 questions. Okay, we'll discuss now question number 1.
I finished question number 1.
Okay, question number 1. 12 and 1 by 7, 13 and 2 by 5.
85 by 7 and
12, 1 by 7 plus 13, 2 by 5. So
13 2 by 4.
can you, yes, Devak, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Convert this into improper and tell me.
85 by 7.
85 by 7. Children, please check whether you got correct answer. Plus
67 by 5.
67 by 5. So what is LCM? LCM is 7 into 5. 7 into 5,
Subtracted.
35. You have to add. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay. So what do you have to do now? Find out the LCM. 85 by 7 into 5. Here also 5. Find out. Here the denominator will be 35. And here 67 by 5 multiplied by 7. Find out the answer. Okay. So what's the final answer?
894. 894 by 35.
894. So what is 85 into 5? We will check whether it is correct.
425
25.
plus 425.
425 by 35. Here.
Plus
Next one, 67 into 7.
469.
469. So when you add 425 and 469, what you will get? The answer will be 894 by 35. So the answer 894 by 35. Children, this is the answer. You can check whether you got this correct answer. So 894 by 35. Okay. Next one. Question number 2.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is the answer of first one?
Check here.
800.
800 here. 894 by 35.
Okay, ma'am, it's correct.
Yeah. Next one, I think children here very easy, because that they are, when you convert, it is like fraction. Yes. 10 and 1 by 3 plus 12 and 2 by 3. What's the answer here? 3, 31 plus 3 plus
31 by 3. And that
38 by 3. So what's the final answer?
69 by 3.
69 by 3. Children, this is the answer of question number 2. Please check whether you got answer. Now this 1 and 2, it was addition. And now 3 and 4 will be subtraction. Please check and do correctly.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
for second question, we can do another method, right?
Ah, you can add 10 plus 12, that like that, yes?
Yes.
10 plus 12, what is 10 plus 12? It's 22. 22 and 3 by 3.
And 3 by 3. Ma'am, we should convert it in that first question, fourth question also, we should convert into mixed fraction last, right?
If you write like this also, it's okay. If you convert, then also okay, no problem. So question number 3. Question number 3, 4 and 1 by 3. 4 and 1 by 3 minus 2 and 1 by 7. Children, see that here that symbol is minus. Four threes are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 minus 14 plus 1, 15 by 7. Find out the LCM is what? LCM is 7 into 3.
21.
21. Yes. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 46 by 21.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am, 46 by 30.
So children, here 13 by 3, you have to multiply it by 7. So 13 into 7.
91.
91 by 21. And the next one is 15 by 7.
45 by
3.
21.
Yeah.
45 by 21.
45 by 21. Now children, don't add here. You have to be careful. So while children, they were, okay, first two questions were addition. Then this also, without thinking, don't make it mistake. 91 minus 45 by
46.
21.
46.
So the answer will be 46 by 21. Children, please check. This is the answer of question number 3, 46 by 21.
Ma'am, next one is 71 by 14.
Hmm.
Ma'am, over.
Okay, so this is the answer of question number 3.
Four,
Now,
14.
the last one, question number 4.
71 by 41. 14.
Okay, 71 by 14. So, please, children, please check. We will check whether it is correct or wrong. 10 and 1 by 2 minus 5 and 3 by 7. So, 10 into 2, 20 plus 1, 21 by
21
2
by 2. 38
minus
by 7.
35 plus 3, 38.
8. Ma'am, 38 by 7.
So here 7 into 2, 7 and 2, they are
Ma'am,
prime
14.
numbers. So that's 14.
147
21
by
by
14.
2, you have to multiply by
147 by 14.
147 by 14. Then the next one is
76.
38 by
Next one
7.
is
76 by
76
14.
by 14.
76 by 14.
14. And the answer is 71 by 14.
71 by 14.
Okay, so
71 by
here also
14.
minus. Okay, 147 minus 76 by 14. So the answer what?
71 by 14.
71 by
71 by 14.
71 by 14.
71 by 14. Okay, children, all of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So we got here question number 3, that is 46 by 21. Question number 4, 71 by
71
14.
by 14 and second one.
Okay, so all of you got the answers, children? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Now
Ma'am.
we will do multiplication and division. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have revised to. Huh?
Can you show again T?
Show again what?
D.
D.
Question number D.
4.
Fourth
Question number
one.
4. 71 by 14. The final answer is here.
Ma'am, next question multiply.
Okay, next question. Find the reciprocals.
Multiply and division.
Now first find the reciprocals. Then the next question. Here 4 questions over. Question number 5 is find the reciprocals. Question number 6, we will do division. Find the reciprocals. Question number A, that is 2 by 53. Question number B, 5 and 1 by 2. 5 and 1 by 2.
Ma'am,
Children, please mute your audio.
no, it's a coming.
Please mute your audio. Okay, so what's the answer? Question, Isha? Can you tell the answer? Question number A, very easy. What's the reciprocal?
53 by 2.
53 by 2. Madhav, can you say the answer of question number B? First convert into improper.
11 by 2.
Reciprocal of 5 1 by 2 is 2 by 11.
It is 11 by 2. When you do 5 2s are
2 by 11.
10 plus 1, 11 by 2.
2 by 11.
Reciprocal, it will
2
be
by 11.
2 by
2 by
11
11.
is the answer. 2 by 11 is the answer. The reciprocal of,
More question of this.
understood? So
Yes,
children,
sir.
like this, for mixed fraction to convert, to find the reciprocal, first you have to write it as an improper fraction. Then after making the improper, you can change in, you can find out the reciprocal. Okay. Question number, next one we will do multiplication. Multiply. Question number 6.
Ma'am, now it is multiply.
Huh?
Now it is multiply.
Multiply, yes. Afterwards, I will give you division. 12 by 32 into. So children, here we use that cutting method, okay? Cutting method we can use. Question number A. Now, question number B. 22 by 13 into 26 by 44.
Ma'am, we can also do cross multiplying, right? This
You
B.
can multiply or a cutting method, cutting.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Finished. Okay, so we'll discuss the answers here now. Finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, we will use cutting method. It's easy. 32, how many times in 64?
2 times.
2 times. Okay. So children, now you have to multiply 12
24.
into 2.
24.
24 is the answer. 12 into
Sorry.
10 times 2 is 20.
Ma'am, B1 is the answer.
Ah. So here also you can use. Yes, yes.
Because 22 and 2.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
22
2
into 2 is 44. So 1,
and you see 13 and
13 and 26.
2.
Here also
Ma'am,
2.
1.
So it is 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1.
2 by 2, that is equal to
Equal
1.
to 1.
Yes. Okay, very good. So children, here for multiply, if there are no common factors, you can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators and find the answers. And here,
Ma'am,
yes,
I have a doubt.
yes.
Ma'am, in the first question, 12 by 32 into 64, we can cut the 12 and 32, right?
Yes, of course, you can cut.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll get the answer same 24.
Yes, same answer 24. Check. If I want to divide 12 by 32. So first what will I do? Here it is 64. So if I want 12, if I want to divide by 2, I will get 6. Here if I want to divide by 2, what will I get? 16.
Ma'am, we can divide by 4.
4. Again, if I want to do 2, I will get here 3. Here 8 2s are 16. Now here 8 and 64. 8 again. 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24 you will get. Okay.
So the simple way is to cut the 32 by 64.
32 by 64. Because that is the highest common factor. HCF. Yes. 32. 2 times in 64. So that is the highest common factor. If you divide or cut by highest common factor, we can easily find out within 1 or 2 steps. Okay. So next question, division. Okay, children. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So question number, next one is question number 7. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
16 divided by 1 by 4. Question number B, 1 by 42 divided by 3. So children, first step, don't forget to make it as a fraction. Here we can see numbers. 16 in the question number A. In question number A, dividend is a number. So you have to write this as a 16 by 1. Question number B, divisor is a number 3. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, this is reciprocal.
Ma'am, 1 by 4 divided by 3, right?
Finished.
Finished. Okay, wait.
And what is the 2?
1 by 42. This is 1 by 42.
Both of the questions finished.
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 Ma'am,
So children, here, what we can do for question number A?
16
We
into
can
4.
use 16 into
16
4. Oh,
is equal to 16 by 1 and
16 by
division
1.
symbol is equal to multiply
By
and
1.
1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1.
64.
So
Yes.
it is 64 by
Yes.
1. So
Agni?
this answer is 64.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote 16 into 4.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
16
Ma'am,
into
we
4.
can write 16 into 4.
Yes, 16 into 4 also we can write.
So it is
Here because 16 we will write 16, then for division we will multiply with the reciprocal. Multiply with the, what's the reciprocal of 1 by 4? That is 4. 64. Okay, next one. Question number B. What we had to do? 1 by 42.
42. So we should
Then
make 3
multiply 3 by here it is 3 by 1.
So it
So
is
multiplied by
So multiply by
1 by
3 by
3.
1. 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 126.
1 by 1.
1 by 126.
1 by 126. Okay. 1 by 126. Multiply 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 126.
126.
You got all questions correct? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So children,
Yes, ma'am.
let me take the attendance, okay?
Ma'am, can I ask, ma'am, 7 to 8 answer is 64?
Check.
X.
Yes, ma'am, both are correct.
Correct. Okay,
I'm all are correct.
correct. So children, I'll take the... Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.